I am a full-on insomniac and I really struggle with my sleep. I do find that podcasts help, and I also find that pillow sprays help. But the other night, nothing was doing the trick. So I went on Vinted and I started having a little scroll, just to fill my time while I was falling asleep or trying to fall asleep. And I spied a little something, and maybe it was a tiredness, but I went wild and I just bought it. And so I'm going to do a little unboxing. So this is my Vinted unboxing of a shrimps bag. No, seriously, I have wanted one of these bags for absolutely years, and I've never had enough money. And then I found one on Vinted, and I hope it's real because it was a goddamn steal. So let's unbox it together. So because I bought it on Vinted, of course it comes in a recycled M&S box. And then inside it comes in an Anya Hindmarsh bag. And it's not an Anya Hindmarsh bag, but I respect the fact that they thought, do you know what? I'm going to give this girl a dust bag, even though it's not the right dust bag. Oh, for full transparency, it did not mention that it came with a dust bag at all. So it's not like I've been duped out of the correct dust bag. They just threw it in as an extra bit of love, I guess. Anyway, let's open the bag and see what I think. So if you know shrimps, you will probably know that they are famed for their beaded bags. And I have wanted one of these for absolute years. I think they are so cute. I nearly bought one for our wedding and then I didn't because I didn't have enough money. So yeah, when I saw this for a steal of a price, I just couldn't resist. And yes, I will tell you how much it cost. But first of all, let's look at the bag. Are you ready? Here she is. Oh, look. She's beautiful. So let's have a look at the condition. So the inside of the bag looks pretty neat and tidy. I think there is a little bit of wear and tear at the top seam, but nothing major. So the inside of the bag looks pretty nice and clean. There is a little bit of maybe like makeup at the very top, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. It has the shrimps lining and the shrimps label. By the way, if anybody has a shrimps bag and wants to let me know if they think it's authentic, please do. And then let's look at the corners and the edges because they're the places that normally get the most wear and tear. I can see that some of the green is worn off and there's a little bit of the yellow underneath and a little bit more there and there and there. But the top is all really good and the front itself looks really good too. So the main bit of damage is the very bottoms of the corners, which I absolutely do not mind. And the back is looking really good too. The top of the handles look actually really good. And I have to say, it's generally in really good condition. And oh my God, it's so cute. If I remember rightly, this bag was released a couple of years ago and it was inspired by the Little House on the Prairie. Oh my God, look how cute it is. No joke, Mary is gonna freak out when she sees this. She's gonna think it's for her. So yeah, I think it's phenomenal. I cannot believe what good condition it is. I think it's so cute. I'm really happy with everything. And yeah, even the inside is like pretty nice and clean. It even smells clean, so that's good. But look, oh my God, I literally just got makeup on it by smelling it. That is my own fault. Anyway, that's my bag. I got it on Vinted. It cost me £52. And I think it was another couple of pounds for shipping. So it was about £54 in total. And shrimps bags retail for about £450. So I think I got a bit of a bargain. What do you think? Also, I'm going to quickly stand up so you can see it like in terms of proportion to me, so you can see the size. So here it is in terms of size next to me. And I just think it is so cute. Obviously, I would not wear it with this outfit, but I love, love, love it. And I've wanted one of these bags for so long. So yeah, let me know what you think. Also, are you a fan of Vinted and what have you bought on there? Because this is probably one of my first ever purchases on there. I have been really unlucky. I bought stuff and then everything got cancelled. So yeah, I feel like I'm finally on board with why everybody loves Vinted because this was a steal. Anyway, what do you think? And if you already have a shrimps bag, let me know if you think it's authentic. Thank you so much. Goodbye.